Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video on a free Ford Focus automatic gear. I've been thinking of a way of doing this video. We have had this car for a few days now, and for those of you that regularly follow us, you will remember the little MG Midget barn find. Now we took that car from the owner and got it running and got it cleaned up, and I said from the start that he was giving us a car for free, which is this car. I did show an interest in it when I went there for something else, and he said, look, if you're doing the MG and you're messing around with it and buying a few little bits for it, you can have that Ford Focus. He took it in part exchange. So today we're going to be doing a video on this little car that we've been given for free. I suppose it's not for free. We've got our own wages for the work that we did on that little MG Midget. So today we're going to find out how much did we earn out of doing that little MG Midget, because this is what we got for doing that car. Today we're going to be taking it along to the car wash, having it valeted, getting it cleaned up, and then probably later on this evening putting it out for sale, trying to sell it and see how much we get for it. So it's a 2002 Ford Focus automatic gear. We do have a new number plate that come with the car, because on the MOT they said this one was on its way out. The car did come with a year's MOT as well, so we're absolutely chuffed to pieces with it, because we know it's going to be an easy seller. It's a lovely little car. It does have very minor age related marks and dinks around it, but it is a very old 02 reg car now. But as you can see, it is the gear model. It has the real comfy interior. We'll go to the front. Most important thing, automatic gearbox, which is absolutely lovely. CD player, digital climate control, onboard computer. There's the new number plate there. It also has an electric sunroof. Very, very rare on an old Focus like this. The mileage, 60,996 miles. And yeah, we got this car for doing that other little car, and we are really, really chuffed with it. I won't go on about that too much anymore. We are going to head down to the car wash, have it valeted, and Chris is going to follow me down because we are dropping that one to the paint shop. So let's go and get this valeted. But before we go and do that, I just wanted to put this out there. This is one of our merch t-shirts, guys, salvage rebuilds. Just a normal plain t-shirt, and this is one of the metal Scuderia wing badges from the Ferrari. These are not genuine, these are aftermarket. I ordered them online, but I ended up with 2 sets and they told me to keep them. So what we've decided to do is let you guys decide what sort of video we need to do next. Not the next video we do, but we want you all to give us an idea of what sort of video you would like to see. Me and Chris said this morning, we don't want to fly to the other end of the world or the other end of the country, but if you've got any brilliant ideas of a video that you'd really like to see us do, something that we've not done before, then we are well up for it, and we want to hear your suggestions. And after we choose whatever suggestion we choose, we think is the best one, we're going to send you this t-shirt and this Scuderia badge. So drop your comments in the comment section down below and let us know your thoughts or ideas on what you would like to see on the channel. Another project, or would you like us to go and do another auction walk around? Would you like us to go to another car auction, try and buy a car? Would you like us to put a car through the auction and see if we can sell it that way? Put it all in the comment section, and the best comment and best idea will get these bits of merch. Let's get on with getting this down the car wash and trying to get it finished so that we can get it sold. We're at the car wash and we're going to have £15 inside and out. It is, it's not that grubby, but it is got various bits of food and stuff hanging around in it, so hopefully it comes up pretty nice. So we have been and had it all cleaned, and we're going to do a nice walk around it after, show all the paperwork and tell you a bit more about it. But we have just pulled it inside the workshop. It's got a few little marks around it. I mean, age-related marks. And we're just going to go around and touch them up. That one there being the worst. It's a bit of paint has cracked off there. So we'll be filling that in just to seal it up, and hopefully it'll stop it getting any worse. And there is, you know, there's a couple of little scuff marks around it. We probably won't touch those. Again, it is quite old now, and it is quite nice and square, but it does have these little age-related dinks. But like this bit here, I mean, just to put a little bit over the top of that, it'll really take the eye off it and smarten it up. It's not worth having any paint work done. It's definitely not worth, not on a car of this age. But yeah, we'll just go round and touch all these little bits up. And I'll try and, I did it all before on time lapse on the black Focus for you. But this time, maybe I'll get Chris to follow me round with the camera, and I'll just go round and touch these in. Just take the eye off of them. That's actually a bit of road tar there, but these ones here, they're actual little scratches. And it'll be really nice to try and get rid of some of these little marks. Just bring it back to looking really nice. Chris, I'll do a little demo on these two little bits here, if you can come a bit closer. I'm just literally just trying to fill the chips up with paint. Now, even though close up, it's not going to be a colour match, but it really takes the eye off it, doesn't it? Let's go on to the end of that mirror. I noticed that's got a few marks in it. Oh, it's the other side. Let's quickly move around now. I won't record too much of it. It'll use up the video, but see that black scuff there? We'll just try and fill it up best we can, and it will take the eye off of it, and hopefully gives it a little bit of a seal up as well. There you go. I'll go around and do the rest of them off camera. Otherwise, we'll be there all day just touching it up. And I'll probably have to go over that one twice. So what do you think of that? It's all done. We're not going to do any more work to it. God, I'm saying that. I still haven't put that rear number plate on, but I'll do that as soon as I get back. But I think you would agree. Very, very clean, tidy little car for the age. And it's going to be perfect for somebody who can only drive an automatic. At the end of that mirror there, I did just give that 2 coats. And close up, you can really see it, but when you come back, it just takes the eye right off of it. But an all-round, clean, tidy, nice, presentable little car with a year's MOT, ready to go to its new owner. I've just come down here. I always come to the same place and take the pictures because there's no houses or anything like that in the background, and it's quite nice. And I want to take some pictures because I'll be putting this in the usual place on my Instagram tonight for sale, and hopefully by tomorrow, you know, it's got its new owner and it's going. But it's just starting to rain, so let's jump inside and we'll talk through what comes with this little car. Watching that video back there when I jumped in the car, and I just wanted to apologise about that wind noise. I actually bought the little microphone, the little portable one with me, and I actually had that in my hand like that and was speaking very, very close and thought that it was going to do the trick, but I haven't got, you know, I'm not going to go back to the yard now, get the other microphone and redo it. I don't do retakes, guys, as you know, it is how it is and it's raw, but yeah, that didn't really do the trick. Too cheap, I think. That was the answer to that. I just wanted to really jump back in the car and show you, like, really what the car's got with it and how looked after it has been. The first thing, on an old car like this, we've only got 2 previous owners, so this car's actually had 3 owners from new, which is incredible, really. It's, you know, it's getting on now. It's got heaps and heaps of paperwork. I'm sure it's got every receipt for everything that's ever been done to it. It's got all the original handbooks with it, which is lovely, and even the roadside assistance card there with all the details, original, and it also come with the original service history log. And as you can see, it has been quite meticulously maintained and looked after. 54,000 was the last service, and we've just hit 61,000 today. It was just under when we started this video, but it's been well looked after, and I think it's going to be a lovely car for somebody. It is the automatic, like I said earlier. It's because it's the gear, it's got so much extra little stuff on it, like that CD player. You got the onboard computer there. It's got the digital climate control, which blows ice cold. As soon as you turn that on, the revs come up and it's blowing ice cold. It's got the heated front and rear screens. I think I mentioned earlier about the sunroof. Under all the sun visors, you've got the mirrors and the lights, and that's on both of them, which is, you know, all this stuff on a little Focus. 4 electric windows that can be locked, electric mirrors. It's got everything you're going to need in a car, and it's got most of the stuff that a modern day car has got now. Sorry, I will turn that round. I keep coming on camera and then making a habit of forgetting about it again. I know quite a lot of you do like it. So yeah, let me know what you think of the little car. Please don't forget your ideas. We're really looking forward to reading what ideas you've got for a future video. It's not going to be an immediate thing, but we will bear anything in mind, and we will read through, as usual, all of your comments. I know recently I haven't been able to respond to all of you, but the messages have been so many. Me and Chris have been working really late trying to get these videos like wrapped up and get them out there for you, and by the time I get in, I answer the messages up to a point. I mean, last night I was up till midnight, and I have to stop somewhere because obviously I'm up at 7 again and back down to the yard for 8. So drop your ideas in the comment section. Check out the merchandise, the link is in the description. Selvage Rebuilds for the little sneak peeks. Like, subscribe and share. I want to thank each and every one of you very much for watching, and we'll see you very soon in the next one.